This 13 square meter tiny house was built by Lara, the owner. She's right here, and she built it in 6 months. In the front you have a box with electricity, solar panels are right there, and it's all built from wood. Here in the front you have a small terrace, living room with a Laguna leg table that swings around. Under the sofa, lots of storage. Doggy place. Very rustic wardrobe. This house has 2 heating sources, wood stove and a heated floor. In the loft you have a queen size bed with a bit of storage. Kitchen with tiny fridge, oven, stove, runs on gas. And look at this entrance to the bathroom. It has a bathtub and a composting toilet.